it's really crazy card technique. Look, wow. Queen of Hearts, you remember this card, it's really free. And snap, wow, look. Of course, Ace of Spades, 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 Seven of Hearts, and Ace of Spades. Look, this is Ace of Spades, Seven of Hearts, Ace of Spades, Seven of Hearts. It's really crazy, really amazing. Ace of Spades, Seven of Hearts. Maybe you jiggle. Look, Ace of Spades and jiggle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really crazy card technique, because this technique is classic pass. Classic pass, it's really unbelievable. It's really crazy card move, because it's really unbelievable. Card change, card control, card move, card sleight, sleight of hand, card back. It's really unbelievable. Yes. So okay, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, because it's really extra tutorial. Yes, it's really extra tutorial. It's really unbelievable card tutorial, because I teach you really foundation card magic. It's really unbelievable card technique. Yes. So like in this video, subscribe to my channel, of course, write this comment, why not, and maybe share this video with a friend magician, why not. Maybe a friend really magician, because my friend no magician. Yes, it's really true. My friend no magician, your friend maybe magician, why not. So take deck and teach this. No, let's go. So for this classic pass, you make a spread and take one card, maybe this. Spectator, remember this card, this is Jack of Diamonds, it's really free, it's not force, because it's classic pass. Why force? So you remember this card, this is Jack of Diamonds. And next step, you squeeze this spread like this, I show it like this, and of course you save with your break, alright? Of course this is Jack of Diamonds. Look, I repeat. Make a spread, squeeze your spread, and save with your break like this. Alright, it's really easy move. And next step, you take this pile like this, right? It's really easy. I take this pile because this pile takes this finger, look, right? This finger here, this finger here, this finger here, this finger here, this finger here. Alright. Alright, look, I repeat. Take this pile like this, alright? And next step, you make a classic pass. Use this finger, take this pile, alright? This pile, this is Jack of Diamonds. Use this finger, take this pile, right? And next step, you switch this to pile like this, alright? It's really nice card move. Look, you make a break, and now you make a classic pass like this, alright? Look, I repeat. Please take any cards, maybe your cards, 5 of spades. Turn over, make a spread, squeeze, make a break, save it your break. Take this pile, this finger, this, alright? Look, it's really easy. You take this pile, and now you switch this to pile like this. Alright, look, you make move it like this. It's really easy move. Look, alright, look, and now I repeat full speed. Maybe you card 5 of spades, 5 of hearts. Remember, squeeze, save with your break, squeeze, take this deck like this, take this pile like this, and now make a switch this to pile like this. Of course, you covered this classic pass, make move it like this, alright? You make a dribble, alright? Look, Take any cards, maybe your cards 7 of hearts, squeeze, and now make a classic pass and make a dribble. Of course, you save it your invisible move. Yes, look, 10 of diamonds, squeeze, make a classic pass. Look, you take this pile and your right hand make move it like this. And now you production and control these cards. Look, it's really perfect card move because you control it 5 of hearts, top of the deck, and because it's really invisible, because spectator sync your card center. Yes, it's really crazy. It's really unbelievable. Maybe you make a change. Look, take any cards, maybe 6 of hearts. You have 6 of hearts, center of the deck. Oh, this is 6 of hearts. Oh, this is 5 of spades. Oh, this is 6 of spades, 6 of hearts. It's really nice card technique. It's really unbelievable routine. Thank you for watching my video, and now see you later.